This semester at San Jose State University is probably scary for many of you, with online classes and all of the adjustments. Many of you may be facing tough circumstances with lost jobs or even sick family and friends. Now's a time when more than ever we need prayer. I'm Sierra with Alabaster House of Prayer, or what we call AHOP. We are a club of Christians desiring to deepen our relationships with God through worship and prayer. Just a year or so ago, I didn't really see the point of prayer, but since then, God has completely changed my perspective, and through AHOP, I have been so encouraged by those who also understand the power of prayer and seen the power in my own life. I also learned that God longs to hear our voices. He said in the Bible, "Then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart." That's Jeremiah 29:12-13. We are here to seek the Lord while he may be found and call upon him while he is near, as it says in Isaiah 55:6. So let's seek God together, for each other, and on behalf of those who desperately need prayer in our families, school, city, and even the country. You may be feeling an urge from God to spend more time in prayer, especially in light of our current day. So I encourage you to follow that prompt and come join us at our weekly meetings. We will meet over Zoom every Monday at 5 p.m. starting on August 31st. Again, that's Mondays at 5 p.m. starting August 31st. To join our group, you can find us on Facebook at Alabaster House of Prayer. You can message us to be added to our semester group chat, or you can email us at alabasterhouseofprayer@gmail.com. AHOP has been like a family to me, and I would love to have you be a part of it. I hope to see you on the 31st.